Don Rush here, West Coast Classic Cougar. Hey, I was just doing the brakes and front suspension on my 68 Cougar, and I thought I would share with you some tips I've learned from experts along the way. So oftentimes this is what you start with, and that's a pretty easy one. You know, you knock the big dirt off with a wire brush, then you get it into the glass bead blast cabinet, and it comes out looking beautiful. You're almost tempted to put it on like this, but you know for a fact, you know, any kind of humidity or first time you drive it in the rain, it's gonna flash rust, and pretty soon it'll look like that. So what a lot of people are doing are getting spray paints like Cast Blast and just going over them. That works, but they look spray painted. So I say for not much more money than spray paint, get this gun bluing agent called Permablue and go over it once with that, let it dry. Well, that doesn't look too impressive. But then your final step, this is a product that I think Boeing developed, and it became so popular, people were asking, and they finally let it out to the market, and go over it with that. And you'll have a, we won't say rust proof, but rust resilient finish that will last you a lot of years as long as you're not, you know, daily driving it in the wintertime in Michigan. So that's the tip I have for you today on your cast iron parts. And of course, these products can be used on things other than brake parts, but that was what I was working on today.